We also have different types of distortions that sound like distortions, like this redux, which actually downsamples and bit reduces the signal, deteriorating the actual resolution of your sound. Now, downsampling actually deteriorates the sample rate frequency of your sound, like this. And we also have the bit reduction, which reduces the amplitude resolution of the sound. See, now I know that's loud, but that's just frequency and amplitude resolution reduction. So it's deteriorating the sound, and sometimes this can produce really interesting effects. So that's one form of distortion too, because it does sound distorted.